All right, what's good with you guys? It's been a while. It's been almost, 2 full trading weeks. And today is the 18th. Last time I posted a video was on the 6th. And I'm going to be going over the 9 to 13th trading performance and then from 16 to 18. So from 9 to 13, I'm looking over my analytics, my charts, my everything. And I've had 3 bad days, 3 extremely bad days. And let me pull this up. Let me start screen recording my thing. Oops. No screen. Okay, so my screen is now recording, and you can literally see everything. You can see it all right here. Week 2, we lost a huge chunk of our portfolio. We've had three red days and 2 green days, and you can clearly see our red days are fucking huge. But it's like going over it, like we're risking too much, we're trading too early, and we're undisciplined. We're not following any rules, and just it's ridiculous. Like our losses are way too big. We have 34% losses on stupid trades. Like Tuesday, if you guys remember Tuesday's price action on NASDAQ, you guys know it's fucking horrible. And I trade options, so it's like it's even worse because I have the Greeks. And look, I have no patience, and I was one of those traders that traded the chop, got fucking railed, and blew a huge chunk of my portfolio. $703 with a 14% win rate. Come on, that's ridiculous. And then same on Tuesday. Like look at this, we had a 37% win rate, but it's like our losers are way too big. I'm risking too much and I'm trading way too early. That's another thing that I'm realizing is I'm trading way too early in the markets for structure to really even develop and know where it's really going. I'm not waiting. I'm literally gambling. I'm literally gambling on that first like entry that I see. And it's like you can clearly see like I keep taking trades 10 to 20 minutes after market opens. So market opens about 5:30 a.m. and I'm literally taking trades within the first 20 minutes. I'm not waiting for any structure whatsoever. So that's what I noticed on week 2. But on week 3, I set myself a goal of waiting 30 minutes for structure to form and actually just waiting for the first 30 minutes. I waited for the first 30 minutes and I took a trade. But the thing is, not only did I wait 30 minutes, is I also changed my environment. So it's like I used to trade, or I do trade in my bedroom. This is my whole trading space right here. You guys can't see the other 2 monitors, or actually, there's one right there, and then one right there. So I'm going to be changing a lot, not only with my environment, but it's like I'm going to be changing a lot with my patience, because on Monday I traded at the gym and I just felt so relieved. Like I had no mental like fog. I had like no stress. I wasn't like pressured. I didn't feel forced to take a trade either because I'm not in my trading space and I'm at the gym where everyone is like already disciplined. So it's like I'm surrounding myself with other disciplined people and people with like that like go get it mentality. So this was a trade that I took on Monday and it was right here. It's pretty cool, although not the best win percent on 6 contracts, but it's the process. It was the whole process and the like mental that I went through with it. And then this was yesterday, and so with this, it's like, yeah, this was a good trade. I honestly feel like I was under leveraged. I feel like I could have done like 2 contracts on this, but process over profits, actually focusing on the skill. But not only that is I implemented a bull flag or bear flag. So I implemented that into my trading and the fib, which is really good. And I just need to keep following a process like this. So it's like I saw a tap into a bearish 5-minute fair value gap. I also saw these bullish ones right here, but this bear flag right here is literally just waiting for us to break out. Plus a tap into not zero, OTE and above prices above equilibrium. So that's why I took the trade. And this was a beautiful trade actually. And I love how I traded this. I love the process on this. This was beautiful right here. And you see, I took one trade. I took one trade, 100% win rate. And then now on Wednesday, this is where things got rough because I woke up late. I woke up extremely late. I scaled into the 5 minute. So it's like right here, NASDAQ. I scaled into the 5 minute. And at first I didn't, like, this is all that I saw. Let me go right here. So at first, this is all that I saw, right? This is all that I saw right here. So now, I literally I just scale into the 1 minute and I just wait for a little micro pullback. Like, right here. Like, I just wait for this little micro pullback. I force an entry right here. But the thing is, I don't take into account that we're literally at the high of day. We're literally at high of day. And I was so drawn to this as my price target, these highs. I was so focused on that it was just everything was just forced, and I didn't wait for any structure. I noticed that, after that first trade, the one that got me at break even, I noticed that we were having rejection. So it's like I need to understand more about my patience and how I'm operating as a trader, because not every day is the same. It's like you go into work, and you're expected the same things. You clock in, do this, and this. Everything's routine. But it's like with trading is you're provided with different price action every single day. Not every setup looks the same, and not every confluence or just it's just not always going to be the same. Even your A+ setups can lose. This is a game of probability. So it's like after that first trade, I noticed that we were seeing rejection up here, and then I just force more trades. I forced another long and it ended up stopping me out, and then I went short, and that's when I should have called it, because this is more than enough. It's yeah, I lost $117, but it's I could have stopped it at let's see, so 40, that's 97. I could have stopped at $92 right there. I could have just stopped right there, but I just kept digging. I kept digging myself into a rabbit hole. That's when my actual psyche goes into fight or flight, because then I'm just fuck, I gotta make it all back. Why do I have to make it all back? I don't have to make it all back. It's all ego. So now at this point, I'm ego trading. I'm literally revenge trading, and I'm just fucking everything up, not following any process. I just lost all mental clarity, and it sucks because literally price just ends up dumping. But the thing is, when I went short on my second winner, this actually ended up running much more in my favor, and I knew it would too. I literally knew it would too. Look, you can clearly see I sold at the high only for it to have a huge leg down. Not even that, but it ended up fucking going extremely close to even my strike price, 59.20, because I was at, this right here is 59.86, and this right here 59.70. So it's wow. I'm really understanding, I'm not as patient as I think I was. I'm not as disciplined as I used to be. And my whole process is just fucked. And it's it sucks because I only have one chance to really prove it. I only have one trading day, one trading session. It's not I can just go into a basketball court, put up shots, and then play a shitload of games. It's not like that. This is really one shot, one kill, precision. Because right now on the month, I am down a hefty amount. And mentally, it hurts. It hurts. Being down is you don't want to lose money. No one wants to lose money. Losses are inevitable, but it's how big are your losses? It's I'm having a really bad month so far, and the month's not even over. but it's like it's not recoverable. I genuinely don't think I can recover all of this back by the end of the month unless I over leverage. That's really it, because this is my fault. It's literally just my fault. I can't follow rules. It's hard for me to stick to like a few trades per day, even when I like have like 2 losing trades. Like back then, if I show you guys my results of 2024, like I used to only just take 2 trades a day, like 1 to 2 trades, like sometimes 3, but it's like it just sucks, because now it's like, why am I taking so many? Like what is going on? So it's like, you see that, like I don't know what's going on, but it's like as of this year, I've just been taking so much trades, risking so much, and not following any rules. And it hurts. It really does hurt, because I didn't even realize that June 19th is a holiday, the Juneteenth, nor that I didn't even know that the market would be closed. So it's like, I'm really going to have to just like understand myself on a deeper level when the markets are closed, because like, am I addicted to trading, or am I addicted to pressing these buttons? It's like, am I searching for a dopamine hit, or it's like, am I here to, treat this as a business? Like, I've been trading long enough to really understand like the whole aspect of trading, but when it comes to like the actual charts and live money, it's like, what the fuck am I doing? Like, why am I executing so poorly? Why am I executing so like undisciplined, impatient? All of these mental factors really hurt me in the long run, because it's like, I would say this is ego of me to say this, but at one point I was profitable. Like, I've had profitable months. I've had like 3 profitable months, but ever since then I just lost my edge, because once I got it, I was like, okay, this is it. This is what it feels like. I can't lose, and I got extremely humbled. And now I'm at a I'm plateauing right now. I would say I'm plateauing right now. So it's like, if I draw this out, it's my journey. So we all start like having like a little bit of beginner's luck, right? And then we get extremely humbled as we go through our journey. And then this is when we are figuring ourselves out, and then we start growing, and we start growing, and then we start growing. This is a really bad example. Oh shit, what the hell? What the fuck? Oh shit. Alright, what the... Dude, what is going on? Okay, there we go. So, this is where we start. We have that beginner's luck, then this is when we get humbled, and then this is our journey of becoming a profitable trader, where we're just extremely stagnant. Then we see some sort of success, and we just keep going and just keep going. And then, this was me. I was at the top, and I was like, oh shit, I cannot lose. I have it all in the bag. Then all it takes is one undisciplined trade to just, end up going down the rabbit hole once again. And then you have, your little micro wins. And then because of this generated a bad habit, it just keeps spiraling down, because then you have another drawdown, and then you dig yourself back into another drawdown. And then you start seeing more, and it's like, okay, you know what? I know who I am as a trader. I know like what I can do. I know my like abilities. Then you just dig yourself into a bigger hole, and then you have these swing points. So this is literally where I'm at right now. It's like, I was once there, and now I'm here in this bigger hole. And it's like, how can I really get out of this? Because like mentally it hurts. Like, I'm really developing bad habits. Like, I'm really developing bad habits, such as like revenge trading, not following my rules, over leveraging, over trading, impulse trading, boredom trade, like literally everything you can think of. Like, I have like really, like, I have green days, yes, but it's like, why can't I stick to only like 2 trades per day? Like, when it comes to like a red day, like, why can I not accept it? Why can't I accept it like as I used to back then? That's the thing where I'm confused. It's like, I get it, losses are inevitable, but it's like, what's changing psychologically for me to not accept it? Is it like the money aspect? Is it an ego thing? I'm really just trying to understand it myself, because I be thinking about it, and like people be offering me mentorships, but it's like, you can teach me how to trade, but you can't teach me how to be a trader. It's like I don't want to be handheld. So yeah, this is my week 2. This is where I've been. This is why I haven't been posting actually. And yeah, I really thought this month was going to be an extremely green month, where everything changes, because May was a good month. Coming back from, what is that, like $1,500 of drawdown? Like I genuinely thought it would like this month would be extremely good. But who knows? We still have week 4, and then we have Monday on week 5. So I really pray that, God can really help me become the person that, does succeed. I really pray that God can really help me strengthen my strengths and weaknesses to just really just be the best trader that I possibly can. So yeah, I'm putting God first, and I'm just trusting the process. It will come, because shit, I'm not doing all this for nothing, bro. And it's like, oh, how bad do I really want it? But that's gonna conclude today's video. So I will see you guys on the 20th for a trade recap. Peace.